Alright YouTube, we're going to go through some ammo here for today. Everybody's been asking for my stash, so I got some 380, got a little bit of 45, 454 Casul, there's a 9mm on the right, some more 45, 357 SIG, great round, 44 mag on the bottom left. 44 special on the right with some Colt 30 carbine, some 357 Magnums reloads, some range 45 ACP 200 grain lead semi-wad cutter. There's some range food, some lead round nose, 230 grain. Here's my insurance policy. 1,400 rounds of lead semi-wad cutter. 1,400 rounds of lead round nose, plated. 45 ACP with the 1,400 rounds of lead round nose. Some 308 Winchester. Keep it moving here. Let's see. 308 Winchester reloads. Oh, 640 there. Some 30-30 Winchester centerfire. 145 or so. All these are reloads here. Except those. Green tip penetrator. 5.56. 1,000 rounds of VMAX. I just got done loading up. 53 grain. 223. There's some 223. About 250 rounds in there, I think. No, I don't know, 750 rounds. 720 rounds it looks like on my inventory list. About 500 rounds of some reloads and some 100 rounds of factory in the bottom left of 9mm. Some 9mm reloads, 900, not 850. Here's 1,000 rounds of .22 long rifle. Great 1,000 rounds of .22 long. The venerable 30-06 Springfield, 24. Just enough for 3 in-block clips of the mighty M1 Garand. Obviously need to do some work here. 38 special reloads, 1,300. Non-reloads, that's some Silver Bear from a Mini 30, some AK food. Here's some 40 Smith & Wesson, 211 rounds of reloads and 100 value pack Winchester white box. I don't shoot 40 much. Here's some goods. Some 10mm. Some Glock food. G29. Alright, here's a meatloaf box. Looks like some 30-30, 30-06. 300 Win mags in there, I think. Some 243 Winchester, 22 mag. 17 HMR. Some 410. Hunting and critical defense. 38 special, 357 mag, some 40, some 10mm stuck in there as well. This is all 44 mag for my rooters, my 3 little kiddos. They love eating this stuff. 12 gauge, 20 gauge, 4 10s in there. 12 gauge. 185 rounds between target, slugs, and military double-aught. And 12 gauge, almost 200 rounds. Vary between target, steel shot, some buckshot, and some 10mm, some 243 in there as well. There it is, folks. I counted just over 20,000. Looks like 20,900 rounds. That's not all of it. I have some more inside. What do you think, guys? Huh? Looks alright when I drag it all out, doesn't it? You like my foot there? Yeah, I'm wearing socks and sandals. I don't care. Alright, you guys be good. Take care.